Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how you can transfer Dogecoin from crypto.com to your Robinhood. So first thing you need to do is open up your crypto.com app and then you have to click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen. After that, on this screen, you have to click on this crypto wallet and then you will be able to see all of the cryptocurrencies that you currently have in your account. Now from here, you have to select Dogecoin. After this, on this screen, click on transfer and from this pop-up window, click on withdraw. Now from this pop-up window, click on external wallet and on the screen you have to click on where it says add wallet address. Now from this window, select wallet address. Now you have to choose the network that you want to use. I'm going to select ERC20 and then you have to paste the wallet address from your Robinhood in this highlighted area. So open up your Robinhood app and then click on this crypto tab. After that, you can click on this search icon and search for the Dogecoin in the search bar and select the Dogecoin from search results. After that, just scroll down and you will find these two options, send and receive. You have to click on receive and you will be able to get your wallet address. Then click on copy address and go back to your crypto.com app. Paste your wallet address that you have copied and then click on continue. After that, your wallet address will be added here. Now you have to click on this withdraw button right next to your wallet address. Then on the screen, you just have to enter the amount, how much you want to transfer, and then click on this withdraw button. Lastly, you have to confirm this withdrawal. So make sure to check your wallet address and the network type is correct. You have to make sure that network is same in both of your crypto.com and Robinhood app. And once you confirm these things, click on confirm and that's it. Your Dogecoin will be transferred from crypto.com to your Robinhood. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.